Are you struggling to find leads in your cleaning business? Don't worry, I've been there. I've spent the last 7 years building cleaning companies. I built a window cleaning business to $65,000 a month. I built a house cleaning business that my mom runs, that's at $30,000 a month. And I also built over 1,500 cleaning businesses across the US and Canada, collectively generating over $20 million in just 2023 alone. So I know a thing or two about getting leads. My name is Johnny Robinson, and today I'm gonna go over the 5 primary different acquisition channels you can use to actually acquire customers in your cleaning business. So let's jump right into it. And I'm talking about high quality leads that are gonna pay you top dollar for your service, not the price shoppers. So let's get into it. Number 1 is gonna be low hanging fruit. We got paid leads. Your bread and butter here is going to be Google local service ads or Thumbtack, or if you're in California, Yelp. This is going to send you traffic for people that are already searching for cleaning services. This is really nice because you should be able to close these leads between 50 to 60% of the time at really high prices, because you've got to think, if you, 1, pick up your phone, your competition's not doing that, call 10 of your local cleaning competitors and 8 of them will not answer their phone. 2, they're already searching for cleaning services, which means they have high intent. They're already looking for it. So if you can just answer the phone and provide a price and a quote, well, your likelihood of closing them goes way higher than any of the other channels I'm gonna list down below. It's important when you're paying for leads though, that even with the leads you don't close, you're still getting information from them though, so you can follow up with them in the future. I'm looking to get name, phone numbers, and emails off of every single lead that ever calls me. And when leads aren't calling me, I'm gonna spend my time following up with those leads that didn't close or didn't book, or just maybe submitted info on my website, but didn't actually have a conversation with me, whether that be via direct messaging or phone calls. You should be targeting a minimum of 3 to 1 ROAS, meaning every dollar you spend, you're getting $3 back. You should also put all this ad spend on a credit card, so you have 30 days to collect cash from your customers, and then pay off that credit card after 30 days after you've already collected all the cash, so you'll never have to come out of pocket for any customer acquisition. Number 1, paid ads. Number 2 is organic leads. Now, this takes some time to build. It can be quick, but usually from what I've seen, it takes time. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go into local Facebook and Nextdoor groups and start to build a name for yourself and your company by engaging with the community and mentioning throughout the different posts that you post inside these communities that you own a cleaning service. Where the snowball really starts to get going here is when you get your first customer out of one of these groups. Because when you get the first customer, what you're gonna do is go and ask for a testimonial inside that same group and have them post pictures of like a before and after and how good your service was. Everybody in the community is then gonna see this, and since you've already been engaging, they're already gonna know you. So if they need house cleaning services, 1, they're gonna call you. 2, if they don't need house cleaning services, but in the future they do, they're gonna think about you because you're gonna get leads off of that first testimonial post. And when you do get those leads, you're gonna provide a great service for them, and then you're gonna do the same thing and have people continuously post testimonials inside these groups until eventually everybody in that group that needs cleaning services is gonna go to your business. And the best part is you don't pay anything to acquire these customers. It just requires some upfront legwork, which most of your competition is not willing to do. So if you can just do this on top of the paid ads, you're gonna have a really big residential cleaning company. Number 3 is gonna be referrals. Referrals are great because you can systematize this in a way where if somebody ever asks for a discount that calls you, you can say, yes, I give you a discount, but in return, I need 3 introductions to people who might need cleaning services, and make sure they make group chats with you so you can try to sell those people on cleaning services. Not only that, but if you do a good job at hiring your cleaners, well, your cleaners are your product. They're the face of your company. So when they go out and they do a good job, naturally, the homeowners or the people buying your services are gonna wanna refer you to their friends when they need cleaning services. When you follow up with your customers after the job is done too, you can continuously ask for referrals. You can send emails asking for referrals. You can incentivize them by saying, hey, I'll give you, $50 off your next clean if you introduce me to 3 people. There's lots of things you can do for referrals. And once you start getting up there and you get 100, 200 customers, you're gonna be able to generate a lot of referrals if you just do some type of referral campaign, or you continuously ask them for referrals. And not even referrals, but the key word here is introductions, right? I want introductions to people who might need services. Number 4 is partnerships. Now, if you're in the cleaning business, you don't provide a lot of the services that your customers also need. These services being carpet cleaning, window cleaning, mobile detailing, general contractors, you name it. Any home service company that provides a service in a home is getting in front of your customers. And what you can do is let them know, hey, Mr. Carpet Cleaner, I know you don't do house cleaning, and I know you service 1,000 homes a month. Well, if you end up mentioning my service and you refer me to somebody, I can give you 5, 10, 15% of any job that you refer me to. This is something we did in the window cleaning business early on to get us started, where we partnered with the 2 biggest local cleaning companies, and they started sending us so many jobs we couldn't handle them all, and they were making a good commission off of all the jobs they were sending us because we would just Zelle them their commissions every week. To take this one even a step further, what you can do is you can say, hey, why don't I write up a couple emails to your email list and say, hey, we've partnered with this cleaning company and we want to provide a special offer for you, $50 off your first deep clean, and then send the emails, which is going to be free for you, and get a bunch of customers leveraging another company's customer list because they don't provide your service. So if they don't provide your service, they shouldn't have a problem as long as they're going to get some type of kickback or commission. So they can take advantage of an asset that they already have in their business, which is their customer list, that normally wouldn't be generating them income other than their primary service, and it becomes a win-win for the both of you guys. The way to be able to build these connections is either through cold calling, or my personal favorite is local networking groups like BNI or LaTip. I was in a LaTip group and there was one of every niche in there. And I was able to sit down with these people, get to build relationships with them once a week. And every time that they came across a customer that needed window cleaning services, well, they would refer them right to me. Number 5 is outbound. What do I mean by outbound? I mean actually picking up the phone and cold calling, or cold emailing, or doing outreach via Facebook or Instagram DMs. Now, your targets here are going to be real estate agents and real estate brokerages, custom home builders, general contractors, apartment complexes, and short-term rental owners. Now, these people consistently need cleanings done, whether it's a general contractor who just finished a home, they're gonna need construction cleanups. Apartments have turnovers every month, they need move-in, move-out cleans. Short-term rental owners need their properties cleaned every time that their properties change hands and there's new tenants being booked. Real estate agents show homes all the time, so if you can build relationships with these people, it takes time via cold email, cold call, and cold outreach via DMs. You can start to funnel yourself 5, 10, 100 jobs a month without you paying a dime, just based on the relationships you build. And so this one takes a lot of grunt work, but if you can pull this one off, it's really, really great, because this is when you start to build relationships with those people like the property management companies that are gonna send you loads and loads and loads of work. And it's hard, so when something's hard, you can expect that your competition is not doing it, and this is how you find the really, really good jobs that are not on the market. So to recap, we've got number 1, paid ads, utilizing Google Local Service Ads, Yelp, and Thumbtack to send you high intent leads that are ready to purchase, that are already searching for your services. Number 2 is organic, using Facebook and Nextdoor groups to be able to get leads for free, and building a brand in your local community so that you don't ever have to pay for leads, and you're basically getting a ton of referrals so that people are gonna end up paying more for your services anyways. 3 is referrals, leveraging your already established customer base to ask for introductions to new potential people that might need your service. Again, you pay nothing for this. Number 4 is building partnerships with other types of home service businesses who are in front of your customers every day and giving them a small kickback on any referrals they send you. And also networking in local groups like a BNI or a LaTip so you can continue to build those relationships. I highly recommend when you're just starting out and you don't have any of these built out, focus on 1 to 2, the primary ones being paid and organic, and then starting to build out the others as you grow and as you scale, because each one's gonna require a lot of work. So the easiest ones are paid and organic to begin with, and that will take your blended customer acquisition costs and make it a lot lower, because you have organic, which you don't pay anything for, and paid, which you are paying for. And if you are looking to start a cleaning business, or you already have a cleaning business, then check out the link in the description below where we help people start remote cleaning companies and also grow their established cleaning companies. We've done this over 1,500 times. And if you're looking for a more hands-on, handheld approach, more of like a business in a box, then you can book a free call with one of our consultants to talk about what it looks like to actually start and grow one of these companies, the time commitments, the upfront costs, all that kind of stuff, and everything in between. And if it sounds cool, then I'll see you inside, and I'll be happy to work with you and help you grow a cleaning business. And if not, no worries, we'll still send you some free resources after the call. Nonetheless, it's free. So check out that link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.